Have you ever wondered how your car shifts gear by itself, smoothly, silently, and without you touching the clutch? You press the accelerator and the car just knows what to do. Welcome back to Auto Curious, where we break down complex automotive technology into simple, easy to understand explanations. If you are new here, then please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you do not miss any upcoming updates on our upcoming videos. Today we are diving deep into one of the most fascinating systems in your car, how automatic transmission works. At the end of this video, you will understand what's happening inside the gearbox, how gears change automatically, and why automatic cars feel so smooth to drive. Let's get started. An automatic transmission is a system that automatically changes gear ratios as the vehicle moves, without requiring the driver to manually shift gears or operate a clutch. Unlike a manual transmission, there is no clutch pedal. Gear changes are handled by the hydraulics, sensors, and mechanical systems. The driver simply selects P, R, N, or D. But behind this simplicity is a highly complex and intelligent mechanism. Let's understand the key parts that make this system work. First is the torque converter. The torque converter replaces the clutch in an automatic car. It has three main parts: pump or impeller, which is connected to the engine. Second is the turbine that is connected to the transmission, and third is the stator that improves the efficiency. Let's understand how it works. When the engine spins, it rotates the pumps, which throws transmission fluid towards the turbine. This fluid movement transfers power without direct mechanical connections. The key advantages of the system is it allows the car to stop without stalling. It provides a torque multiplication during the acceleration, and it ensures smooth power delivery. This is why automatic cars feel so refined in traffic. Number 2 is the planetary gear set. This is the heart of the automatic transmission. A planetary gear set consists of the sun gear, which is called the center also. Second is the planet gear, which is called around the sun, which are placed around the sun. The third is the ring gear, which is the outer gear. And last is the carrier that holds the planet gears. By locking or releasing the different parts of this set, the transmission achieves the first gear, second gear, third gear, and reverse gear, all without physically sliding gears like in a manual gearbox. The third is the clutches and bands. Automatic transmissions use multi-plate clutches and brake bands. The job is simple: lock or release the parts of the planetary gear set. Control which gear is engaged. These clutches are activated using the hydraulic pressure, not the driver input. Next is the hydraulic system and valve body. This is where the intelligence of the system lies. First is the valve body. Think of the valve body as the brain of the transmission. It directs the hydraulic fluid, it controls the clutch engagement, and it decides when to shift the gears. Older automatics use purely hydraulic logic. The modern systems combine the hydraulics with the electronics and sensor. Let's understand the transmission fluid that transfers the power, that lubricates the components, that cools the system, and that operates hydraulic circuits. The clean fluid is critical. Dirty or low fluid can cause the harsh shifts, slipping gears, and transmission failure. Now let's break the how gear changes actually happen. Number first is the starting from standstill. The engine spins the torque converter, the fluid transfers the power to turbine. First gear is engaged via clutches, and the car starts moving smoothly. Second is the acceleration. As speed increases, the sensors monitors throttle position and vehicle speed. The hydraulic pressure changes. One clutch disengages, other engages, and planetary gear configuration changes. Last one is the next gear is selected seamlessly. This happens in milliseconds. Third is the cruising. At the higher speed, the higher gears are engaged. The engine RPM drops, the fuel efficiency improves, and the torque converter lockup clutch activates. This lockup eliminates the fluid slip and improves mileage. Let's understand the downshifting. When you press the accelerator hard, transmission detects the increased load the instantly downshifts, that provides more torque for overtaking. This is often called the kickdown. Let's understand the modern automatic transmissions or modern electronic control, which are controlled by a transmission control module. In short, you can consider it a TCM. The TCM uses the data from the throttle position sensor, the vehicle speed sensor, the engine RPM, the load conditions. Based on this data, it predicts the driver, the intent, optimizes the shift timing, improves the fuel efficiency, and enhances the driving comfort. Some systems are even adapt to your driving style over the time. Why automatic transmissions feel so smooth? Because they are designed for the seamless gear changes to reduce the driver fatigue and consistent performance. There is no clutch shock, no missed gears, and no stalling, making them ideal for the city traffic, the long highway drives, and for the new drivers. So, the next time you shift into the drive, remember inside your car, a complex dance of fluid dynamics, gears, hydraulics, and electronics is happening flawlessly. That's the brilliance of an automatic transmission. If you really enjoyed this deep dive and want more simplified automotive explanations, subscribe to the Auto Curious, hit like button, and share this video with fellow car enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments what automotive system should you be explained next. Until then, stay curious about the cars. See you soon.